So one end is A, the other end is B. So you can just copy this, copy and paste, Control C for copy and Control V for paste. After placing, double click on it to change that value. Fine. So AB is the line, and on this we have to do unwinding for 2 complete rotations, and we have to wind 7 centimeter long string on this. Okay. So let us begin. So I will start unwinding from this part. Okay. So first it will rotate about A. It will rotate like this. So till it comes in line with this line, till it comes in line with this line, it will continue to unwind. So I'll just extend this line up to this point. Fine. Then because the lower part is what we want, we don't want the upper part. What should we do? We have to do TR, double enter, and then click on this. We have to do TR, double enter, and we have to click on that. Fine. Now, as soon as it reaches here, what will happen? About which point that string will rotate? It will rotate about B. So again, I have to take circle. Center point is at B, and it passes through this point. Fine. And then what to do? Then I can draw a line from here to here, and then I have to do TR, double enter. Fine. So which part do we want? We want upper part or lower part?
Upper part.
Upper part.
Upper part. So it is coming till here, then continuing. The upper part is required. Lower part will go away. Fine. So now we have done for one complete unwinding. So one rotation of unwinding we have done. But he is telling to do it for 2 revolutions. So once again, we have to continue from here. So now where the center will be? Where the center will be? Center will be at A. And it will continue from here. Fine. Now I will use extend command, EX, double enter. I will click on this line to extend it. Fine. And here again, we need lower line or upper line?
Lower line.
Lower arc, sorry, lower arc is required. Upper arc, we have to trim it. How to trim? Press shift and then click on it. Press shift and then click on it. Because we gave the extend command. Inside the extend command, if you press shift, it will do trimming. Without shift, it will do extending. Once again, I need a circle. Now this will continue from which center point? From B. So B is the center. It will continue from here. And again, I need to trim. I need to trim which part? Upper part, lower part?
Lower part.
Lower part we have to trim. So again, I have to give EX, double enter, click on this line, press shift and click on the bottom arc. Now it is complete. So we have done unwinding for 2 complete rotations. 2 complete rotations.